Systems engineers really are kind of like the glue engineers in a way. Like we are the engineers that are trying to hold everyone together and push us all towards a goal, which oftentimes is to maybe engineer a system. So that's often what I find myself doing, is trying to kind of marry different concepts together to, create some sort of goal or system.
Computer science is a field that helps all the other fields. It helps electrical engineers and mechanical engineers and anyone else. We work on a lot of things like algorithms and crazy techniques to manipulate data, and we crunch a ton of data. And if you mix the data and the algorithms just right, you can come up with crazy facts and events and dots that you can make beautiful stories out of.
I research for a living. I come up with great ideas and then I test them in the lab, and then we design them into a larger scale and we transfer it to the world.
Mechanical engineer is a very foundational engineering discipline, which basically has strong backgrounds in physics and chemistry, which allows you to really look at things from a material science standpoint, mechanical systems, and thermal sciences. And one of the great parts about that is that there's basically a never-ending landscape of industries or opportunities that a mechanical engineer can operate in.
I think it's hard to describe civil engineering for me because I'm not a traditional civil engineer. I work in the ship-to simulator, and so it's a very different application of engineering than their traditional sense.
Environmental engineering focuses on protecting human health by developing solutions to prevent pollution or to clean up or contamination in the environment. So we also devise some solutions for invasive and nuisance species. And I particularly work on contaminated water and wastewater and on developing unique solutions for decontamination of chemical, biological, and radiological contaminants.
I work in the Survivability Engineering branch, and Survivability Engineering focuses on developing, designing, and delivering engineering solutions to protect civilians and warfighters. So we're protecting against ballistic threats, small arms fire, large vehicle-borne explosive devices, that sort of thing.